we want to integrate in WhatsApp. So the goal is basically that you have a ChatGPT in WhatsApp. You can chat with the WhatsApp message apps. Here is few steps. Steps are start start cloud account or self-hosted account, create our WhatsApp bot workflow, and WhatsApp business cloud, add node, business cloud, WhatsApp trigger node, AI agent node, agent connect trigger node, simple memory or Windows buffer memory nodes, WhatsApp business class account, Gmail, Wikipedia nodes. Let's start our workflow in our browser n8n. Create a workflow, rename it WhatsApp bot. Now we'll add WhatsApp node, business cloud on WhatsApp message. Yes, we connect our WhatsApp. Here, press. Here already I connected with credential, but you not to you want to create a new credential, client ID with secret. First, you need to register your developer.facebook.com. It's and create apps, and here is simple apps, test apps for me. It's app ID and secret key. We copy and set our WhatsApp credential. We copy secret key and send to secret key. And finally, save. It will connect successfully. That's good. It's working properly. And now I will close and back to our workflow. Add AI. Now we add AI agent. Agent not added, and we add set model, OpenAI set model. Here I use Omni set model, and we add memory node, simple memory node, and we add again WhatsApp business cloud node. Here is also same process, already connected with my credential. We want to create new credential. Simply create new credential, access token, and business access ID, and go to our Facebook apps. Facebook apps with left side you can see WhatsApp tab and API setup. As you get API access token, mm, access token and WhatsApp business account ID. A copy and set this on our workflow. Access token is set, and now we copy business account ID, set to business account ID. Yes, successfully connected. Uh, here is some simple settings. So we add our WhatsApp account mobile number. There's also a test mobile number. You can you click and see it is automatically synced with our apps. There is setting for simple memory. A simple memory, we have to define a key as custom key. In simply, it's running node AI agent error. Ignore it because when AI agent node is configured correctly, it will return value. Just put the expression text here and back to the workflow again. Edit our AI agent node and set configuration and add expression message defined below. Expression message is set and also add system message. You can set default system message, or you can also update system message, custom system message. Now we run our workflow, test workflow, uh, and waiting. It's waiting for trigger WhatsApp event. Here is test WhatsApp number. Oh, it's come from our apps. There is apps. Phone number is test number is okay. Now if we ping this chat box, hi, I am Martin. Uh, hey, hello Martin. It seems like it's a response our WhatsApp bot correctly. Now we test our WhatsApp bot memory. Just type what's my name. Yes, your name is Martin. If you have any question, you need to I need or need assistance for free to ask. Yes, its memory also working properly on our uh, own WhatsApp bot, uh, chatbot. Now we add a Gmail node and it configure with our Gmail credential. Simply click with credential and new credential. Already connected, if new credential, you connect and follow the process of document link and simple configuration. Uh, Here, basic configuration, you sense it as your uh, custom requirement. I had my email address cc email martin@gmail.com and run again our test workflow and open our WhatsApp chatbot. We will uh, uh, request to send a email address or AI generated poem. I use AI generated poem sent to a specific email. It will create a write a poem and send our mentioned email address. Yes, I sent an email about and let's check our email. Yes, it's work. It's write a poem for me and send to target email address. Congratulations, our chatbot is working properly. It's for learning purpose, basic application. WhatsApp WhatsApp with AI chatbot in creation or customization. For learning purpose, we for advanced we need to study our API and also documentation for our customer client requirement. We can add Wikipedia calculators. I simply test. I add simply calculator and Wikipedia for testing purpose. Uh, you can